When students feel relaxed, when they're happy, when they're engaged, that's when they're going to learn and be successful. And again, that's an aspect of the book that I think they will really be drawn to. First day of teaching Spanish, I am throwing up a couple of old pairs of socks that I've stolen from my family. And I asked the students how to spell socks. Okay, I grabbed that from a commercial from many years ago for some Spanish immersion software. But anyway, so how do you spell socks? And of course, almost in unison, the students will say S-O-C-K-S. And then I tell them, congratulations, you speak Spanish. Oh, wow, I do, don't I? S-O-C-K-S. And I tell them what it means and we move on. It's really cool. It gets them into that successful mindset right from the get-go. And I think that is so important. Between that and knowing what to expect, the students are going to do really well.